everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do a blowout, and I haven't done a blowout on my hair in a very long time, so I just wanted to do something different because I want to do a few more stretch styles. So if you want to see how I do that on my hair, then just keep on watching. To wash my hair, I'll be using Swords Soft products, and these are from the Blonde Me range. So this is the tone enhancing bonding shampoo, and this is sulfate free, and it's for cool blonde, so it has a purple tint. And then I'll be using the Keratin Restore Bonding Conditioner. To start off, I'm going to be doing the lock method. So first I'm going to be using the High Porosity Moisture Seal Finishing Elixir, and this has baobab protein and apple cider vinegar, and this is from Shea Moisture, and I'm just going to make sure to spray this all over. Then next I'm going to be using the Polynesian Monoi Radiance oil, and this is a radiant body and hair oil, and this is from the Body Shop. And with this oil, it's pretty lightweight and it does a good job at hydrating the hair. And then lastly, I'll be using the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk, and this is very moisturizing, and I'm just going to evenly distribute this. And this is very creamy and it's lightweight as well, and this smells amazing. Then next I'm going to be spraying some of the Protecting Plus Silk Blowout, and this is a quick drying thermal spray. And basically with this product, it's supposed to cut your blow drying time and protect your hair up to 232 degrees Celsius. To blow dry my hair, I'll be doing the tension method. So I'm going to be using my wet tangling brush from Tangle Teezer, and I'm going to be using my T3 Cura, and I'm going to be using it on the first heat setting. To make my hair easier to style, I divide it into smaller sections and tie away what I'm not working with. Then I comb out my curls using the wet detangling brush from Tangle Teezer, and this gave me more manageability. Next, I slowly comb my hair and blow dry it, and this method worked out great because my hair was separated by the brush and the air was evenly distributed. However, I did have to go over this section many times since it was really wet. So what I decided to do was just to let it air dry about 75%, which made the process much easier and faster. Then I just continued doing the same method to the rest of the sections, and I used it on a warm setting, which was gentle on my hair. If you're using this method to prep your hair for being straightened, just make sure not to use too much products because you don't want your hair to be clammy or weighed down. However, if you're going to do a braid out or twist out, then this works out perfectly fine. My hair was really fluffy and it was moisturized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you want any more information about any of the products that I showed today, just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!